Ever since its introduction, the Fishsmart app from Humminbird has proven to be a valuable and convenient tool to help anglers find and catch more fish. Now, the Fishsmart app includes a feature called Request a Callback to make working with Humminbird customer service even easier and more convenient. Using Request a Callback, you can request that a highly trained Humminbird customer service representative contact you if you have questions or need service for your fish finder. Before you use the Request a Callback feature, be sure to pair your phone with your Bluetooth-compatible Humminbird fish finder. For your convenience, the Fishsmart app includes a detailed set of instructions, as well as links to instructional videos, to help you complete the Bluetooth pairing process. When your phone is paired to your Bluetooth-compatible Humminbird fish finder, the Fishsmart app will automatically retrieve technical data from the control head. Things like serial number, software version, and networked accessories, and then share that information with technical support. But don't worry, other personal information, like your location or your prized collection of navigational data, are not shared with customer service through the Fishsmart app. To use the feature, tap Request a Callback from the Fishsmart app home screen. An information page will be displayed. Read this and then tap Confirm. On the next window, tap the Request a Callback button. Enter your contact information into the app, as well as your questions or a description of the problems that you're having. Then, tap Request a Callback at the bottom of the display, which will send your request to Humminbird customer service. Once a callback has been requested, Humminbird will contact you to discuss your questions and resolve your issue quickly and accurately.